Hey guys, it's Ron. How you doing? Have I got a fix for you or what? I got a real good fix here for people running Snagit. Let's do this capture. Print screen. So capture Vegas Pro in here. I'll do a video capture of this. We're going to record the screen. There we go. So you're in Vegas and you're just showing people how to do different things here, like select default layout in case you lose your settings in Vegas or whatever. So anyways, so you're doing this in Snagit, and what happens is when you press stop, the program crashes. It just crashes every time. This works. This is on Snagit 2024 and Snagit 2025, and so what's supposed to happen is when you do this, it opens the editor and you can edit it. But the editor won't open. It would just completely crash. I found a fix for it. I did a lot of searching yesterday to find out how to fix this, and it turned out to be, after following all the different directions, like about 10 different steps on what to do, drivers and conflicts and everything, I reinstalled the program, uninstalled it, and reinstalled it. Now Snagit works 100% perfect. So if you're having that problem with Snagit, try uninstalling the program, reinstall it, and your problem should be solved. If you found this video helpful in any way, please give a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.